Welcome to this hands-on project where we will perform a real-world COVID-19 data analysis using Python. We will use the Pandas library to handle and process data and Matplotlib to visualize it. The goal is to explore trends over time globally and by country using a data set that mimics real COVID data from multiple countries. This project will teach you important skills in data analysis, loading data, exploring it, aggregating statistics, and finally visualizing insights in a way that makes patterns easy to use. So let's start loading and inspecting the data. So first we are loading the data using Pandas read CSV function and then parsing the date column correctly into date time format using parse dates parameter. You know this, right? We print the first few rows using df.head function to see what the dataset looks like, and we use df.describe to get a statistical overview. This is a crucial step in any data analysis, understanding what we are working with. Next, aggregating global trends. Now that we have loaded the data, let's group the data by date and sum the confirmed death and recovery counts globally. This shows us the worldwide trend over time. For this, we use group by date. Then we are taking the columns that are needed, confirmed, deaths, recovered, and we are summing it up. Now here is a catch. Did you notice that here we are having 2/3 brackets? So actually what is this? Why is it needed? By now we were seeing only one value, right? Since here we are working with multiple columns, that's why what we are doing, we have the first third bracket where it contains the value, and in the next or the second third bracket or square bracket we are providing multiple columns. Here intentionally it is being provided so to make you familiar with this approach. Alright, next, visualizing global trends. To better understand the trends, we will create a line plot using Matplotlib. This will visualize the spread, deaths and recoveries of COVID-19 across time. Visualizations like this help us answer key questions like, is the spread increasing? How fast a recovery is keeping up with infections? So first we are creating a figure of 10 by 6, then we are plotting it. Confirmed, we are providing a marker O. Deaths, we are providing a marker X. For recovered, we are providing a marker S. Alright, and other attributes you already know, right? So dot grid true, you know, we are providing horizontal and vertical lines to make it more readable. Tight layout, to automatically Matplotlib automatically will tighten the plot. plt.tightplot, you already know this, we have worked on it previously. Next we are calling the show function by which we can see the result. Next, filtering country specific data. Now let's zoom into one specific country, say USA. We will filter the data set using df. Again, what we are taking? Df country equals USA. This is how you can provide condition. Okay, see here, country stats equals df. What column we are taking? Where country is USA. Alright, okay. So this is how we analyze local trends for any specific region or country. Using a similar line plot as before, we now can visualize USA's COVID-19 trends over time. The goal here is to compare the pace of spread and recovery at a national level. Again, here also, as usual, this is familiar. I guess it will be familiar to you. So we are creating a figure of figure size 8 by 5, and then we are plotting. Confirmed, we are having a marker of O, deaths X, recovered S. Title we are providing X label, Y label, legend, grid we are providing, and we are providing the title layout. Next, getting the latest snapshot. Now we extract the most recent data available in the data set using df_date.max and then filter rows matching that date. See the concept here, friend. So first, what we are doing, we are taking the latest date. Alright, we are getting the max, and then we are fetching the latest data. How? Again, this is a condition. Df, what we are doing? We are fetching only those records where df date column has this latest date value. Alright, and then we are showing the latest data. So on that date only. Alright, next, using a bar chart, we compare the number of confirmed cases across countries for the most recent date. This helps in understanding which countries are most affected right now and supports quick decision making and communication. Again, you know all of these by now. If not, let me know. Alright, I will ask you to take a look at the previous lectures. I will scold you. No, I will not scold you. But yeah, a little bit I can scold you. Okay. Okay, just kidding. Alright, so this project gave us a complete walkthrough of a real world data analysis workflow. Reading and inspecting data, cleaning and grouping data, performing basic statistics, visualizing global and country specific trends, generating real-time snapshots. You can replicate this process for any time series data set like climate change, stock prices, or population growth. As a challenge, try adding more countries, calculate growth rate, and also export insights to Excel file. Alright guys, so that's it. Let me know if you have any issue understanding some concept or any query you have in this whole course. See you.